Hey guys, welcome back to another video and I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine. So guys, in these days if we open the news or any social media platforms, we get to hear is like hashtag boycott China, hashtag boycott Chinese products, stop reviewing Chinese phones. So guys, I made a video on this. So guys, चलिए शुरू। So let's start with something really simple. Let's first of all look the all the active smartphone companies that are in the Indian market right now. There is Apple, Xiaomi, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Realme, OnePlus, Asus, LG, Huawei, Motorola, Nokia and HTC. So guys, out of all these companies, the Chinese smartphones are really popular and the most selling smartphones in India right now. So guys, now let's look at the non-Chinese brands that are available for us in India. Samsung, Asus, LG, Nokia, Apple, HTC. So guys, basically the Chinese smartphones are popular for mainly two reasons. So guys, first of all, the great specification it provides, and second is the aggressive pricing. I know there are some issues, privacy issues right now, but there is no doubt phone companies like Oppo, Vivo or even OnePlus are no doubt is super and immense value for money smartphones. So the main question arises is how can we stop depending on China so much? So let me guys explain you by dividing the smartphone segment into four different categories. Made in China, assembled in China, non-Chinese phones made in China, made in India smartphones. First, made in China. These phones are completely made in China, from using components to being assembled totally. So guys, these are no benefit for us, and these smartphones are sold by only some of the shopkeepers in India. So guys, second is assembled in India. So guys, these phones are like less dependent on China. Like many of the Chinese smartphone makers like Oppo, Realme, Xiaomi, Vivo, they use that made in India tag on their boxes. So guys, these are not completely made in India. They are assembled in factories and plants that are in India, and they use some of the local components that are from India. Thirdly, non-Chinese companies which are made in China. Like there are many companies like the Apple, Asus, LG, that many of their components are assembled in China. So guys, yes, to reduce the dependency on China, it gonna take time, and yes guys, we need to wait for this. And yes guys, companies are really doing and putting their effort to reduce the dependency on China. The point is made in India. So basically we don't have any smartphone that is truly made in India. So guys, now truly made in India refers to a smartphone which has used components made in India and totally assembled in India. So what we gonna do? We need to get the companies that make the raw materials like the components, so that we can have the truly made in India phone, and it gonna take a long time, but we can really achieve this by so. Yes guys, this gonna take time, and yes guys, India will achieve this solution very soon. So guys, now what we gonna do is the once Chinese products we are using right now in our homes, offices, we don't need to throw them. Like what we gonna do is like we need to stop buying new Chinese products. And guys, 50% of the Chinese products are in the Indian market. So guys, yes, throwing them and reducing the Chinese products is really a difficult job, and yeah, it will require a lot of time. So guys, yeah, we need to be patient, and we need to stop buying new Chinese products right now. So this was all about this video, and I hope you understand some of the points and reduce buying Chinese products and support India. And guys, before ending this video, so this is for the girls who are watching my video. There is a page called Sahna's Cosmetic World 77 on Instagram. So they are providing you really good and quality cosmetic and makeup products at reasonable prices. So I want you girls to go and grab them as soon as possible, and I hope you love the products.